Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Aetna Health app and register, mobile setup guide step by step clearly. Open your mobile device's application store. If you are using an Android device, go to the Google Play Store. If you are using an iOS device, open the Apple App Store. In the App Store's search bar, type Aetna Health app. Press the search icon to find the app. Locate the Aetna Health app in the search results. Tap on the app to open its detail page. Next, tap the Install or Get button to begin downloading. Wait for the application to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. When the app opens, you will be greeted with the welcome screen. Tap on Get Started to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you need to create a new account, select Register or Sign Up. Fill in the required personal information, such as your name, email, and date of birth. Create a secure password, ensuring it meets the app's security requirements. You may be asked to verify your identity with a phone number or email confirmation. Follow the prompts sent to your email or phone to complete this verification process. Once verified, return to the app to continue your registration. Review the terms and conditions and agree to them. Complete any additional profile information requested by the app. After finishing your registration, log in with your new credentials. Explore the features available in the Aetna Health app. Familiarize yourself with sections like claims, health resources, and virtual visits. You are now ready to use the Aetna Health app effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.